Hello everyone! Before we get into the video, I just want to say a massive thank you so much for joining us on this vlog and watching our videos. If you've never watched us before, I'm Libby and this is Javi. We're going to Disneyland Paris. I'm so excited. This is our second time going, but our first time staying on Disney property. So we'll bring you along and we'll just have the best time, I'm sure. So quick update, we've just driven to Manchester Airport, so we're going to go get ourselves sorted, get ourselves checked in, and we'll see you in the airport. What's the problem?
2 for £6 for that. You get about 10 minstrels.
I know. I saw some mini eggs before for £24.
Outrageous.
Just come through security in Manchester Airport. It was not the nicest of experiences, to be honest. Remind me next time we're not going to do a short haul from Manchester Airport.
We're just going to go to Florida instead.
Yeah, way more expensive in WH Smith than we originally thought it would be. I'm pretty sure it was cheaper in Boots last time, so we're going to head over to Boots and have a look.
Yeah, 2 for £2.50.
Definitely cheaper. It was £3 something for one bottle of water in WH Smith.
Yeah, 2 for £2.50.
Yeah. Do we want a snack?
That's a question.
Oh, look. Got candy kittens.
Ah, there you go. Okay.
That's a normal price for them as well, to be fair, because they are expensive.
Gourmet box.
We won't be needing one of these this time. We're not on a flight long enough.
Yeah, it's about an hour, so up and down before you know it.
Hopefully.
Oh, that stinks.
Of the whiskey?
Yeah.
It is quite quiet here today, isn't it? Any bargains? What have we got? I'm not much of a perfume kind of girl, am I?
Smells like soap.
You know, usually people have like that certain scent and everyone can get it for them for Christmas. I'm not that kind of girl.
For Zara.
Oh, that's quite nice.
Do you reckon? Citrusy.
Honestly, Javi would have us here all day, just sampling. This is like a day out for you, isn't it?
Just go to John Lewis every day before work and then I never need to buy any perfume.
This is really interesting. I've actually never been to this
I don't
airport.
remember this bit.
So we've got a little play centre in the airport.
Go to JD if you've forgot any trainers.
If you forgot your shoes.
Sometimes you come in flip-flops and you haven't packed your trainers. That'd be very silly. Wow.
Oh, there's some kind of stunt show.
SAS are getting a car. They're everywhere. So we've just had a seat at the Cafe Balzar and
Sorry, I was just checking that the mic was even working.
we've got a little drink. I've gone for a Mao and you've gone for a...
Well, I did go. Well, what did you get? A
medium.
175? 175?
No, I got 200s of it.
Oh, it's not up to the 250.
I'll send it back.
We'll come back.
Well, it's definitely worth complaining because they've now went over the 250. But yeah, a bit weird.
Not so sure I need an entire bottle of wine before a flight, but
Yeah.
we've got 2 hours, so
It's weird that they only gave us that much, and then I've ordered some chips which should be coming soon.
yeah.
And luckily we got a little window seat so we can see all the operations of an airport, which is always fun.
And by the way, if you've seen a vape on the table, it's not ours, just to confirm.
That was there before we got here. We don't vape.
We don't, no we don't.
So we've just got our final call. We're at gate 4, so we're boarding now. And we're just about to board our plane. We're on row 10, so we're near the front. Probably the first time ever because we're always sat either at the back or right in the middle. But yeah, at the front, so hopefully we can get off
Let's see how it goes.
quickly and get to Disneyland as soon as possible. We've touched down in Paris Charles de Gaulle and we've had a little change of plan. So we were going to initially either get the Disney Magic Bus or the fast train, which gets you there in like 9 minutes. The issue is not very frequent, so we'd have been waiting for like an hour before we even get on it. So we've ended up ordering an Uber, which costs the same amount anyway, so it's not too bad, and it's going to take us straight to Lidl because we're going to get a few little snacks and bottles of water and stuff.
Yeah.
So we're going to go straight to Lidl and then to the hotel to check in.
I do think it's worth thinking about and checking on though with regards to the transport from the airport. So it would have been the same price to get the shuttle or the train. It's about €25 or something, and for us to get a taxi now straight to our hotel, pretty much the same price, isn't it? If you're coming just for Disneyland, this is your airport, isn't it?
But yeah, we've ended up getting an Uber. It works out fine for us because we can go straight to Lidl and then we can get to our hotel and show you guys around.
Yeah.
We've just got here, probably about 5-minute walk from Lidl. We had a little interesting time trying to get the Uber.
Did we mention we were going to Lidl first?
Yeah, I've mentioned it.
Oh, okay. I forgot.
Yeah, so the Uber driver did about 5 laps to the airport and then just ended up saying he's on level 1 to pick us up, but the pickup point was on level 0. So that was...
Yeah, so basically he picked us up from departures instead of arrivals.
But
anyway,
we got picked up in a Tesla, so a bit better than the Ubers you get back home.
But we're here now. We've literally just a second got out of the Uber. We actually don't know where we are. It looks really nice though. And the sky just looks amazing.
When in France, get the croissant and the pain au chocolat. Lovely moon.
So we've not long come into our gorgeous little room at Hotel Santa Fe. They've popped us into the Mater section, which is actually the biggest section of them all. So we've got Luigi, a Mater, and McQueen, and Sally, and we're in Mater just here, which places us perfectly, which I was really excited about when we got in, to see the canal. And I cannot wait in the morning to just walk along the canal straight to the resort. It's so exciting, and this room is just perfect because we can see the canal, see people walking. I actually don't know where they're walking to at this time because it's about 7:30 at night, Perhaps Disney Village is that way. We don't know because we've not been here before. So we're going to figure it all out. What bed would you prefer? This one? That one sounds a bit squeaky. We said that we wasn't going to vlog tonight. We thought we'd just embrace the Disney vibes on our first night, but it's just so fun. How cute are they? Oh my god. We were eyeing up Great when we came down.
Big boy.
And he's so cute. Is he really expensive?
80 euros.
Oh. I think he'd need his own seat on the airplane home.
Big boy. Are you yawning behind me? We're actually really tired now. It's been a long day, but the vibes in Disney are keeping us awake. I'm hoping to find something really cute that we can take home with us, but we don't have much room in our bags, so it'll have to be really small. This is kind of cute. Solid.
This is like some I'm a Celebrity stuff. I'm celeb.
Captain America. It's America's ass.